I'm Leonard. I was born and raised in Baguio. So, nag-start ako sa Baguio Arts Guild after the earthquake. So, after that, we're still young then.
1991.
Yeah.
91, 90.
Kwan pa kami noon eh. Assistant kami ng mga senior artists like Ben Cab, Santi, sina Robert. So, may mga workshops noon and then we joined them.
I'm John Frank Sabado. I was born in Mangkayan, Benguet. Nag-start din ako, same as Leonard. From then, gumawa na kami ng mga works. And then si Willie introduced me pen and ink technique, pointillism technique. Ayan, Gili Magtibay. May common goal kami ni Leonard about sa culture, pero ibang medium, ibang approach, pero iisa yung goal namin as para sa Cordilleran culture.
My works are, kasi yung bahay nasa tuktok ng bundok, so ever since nandun patay ng bahay sa bahay, the landscape keeps changing. Parang dumadami yung structures, building. Yun yung naging inspiration. So, parang build without considering yung environmental and cultural value ng lupa. So these are made out of iba-ibang plates ng prints. So, I get from one plate to another and then compose them. Minsan may images na paulit-ulit. So, I just collage them and make a composition out of it.
Ito i-portrait ni Matthew Carino tsaka ni Bayosa Carino. Sila yung unang may-ari ng Camp John Hay. Si Matthew Carino, demanda niya yung US government kasi naangkin yung Camp John Hay dati sa Amerika. So nanalo siya. After nanalo siya, namatay na hindi alam yung cause. Tapos after a year, nalaman na lang na binili ng American government yung Camp John Hay. Ito yung kwento ng primordial ancestors.
And then these portraits?
Sila naman yung mga artist na na-meet ko sa Baguio Arts Guild dati. Sila yung nag-inspire sa akin mag-push through sa visual arts. Si Roland Bayan, he's a painter. Si Nati. Yung cultural development worker, siya yung nagtuturo ng how to use the costume. And then Mamerto Tindungan, ito yung first na ginawa kong portrait. He's from Ifugao, he's Mumbaki, a farmer and wood carver. And then Biki Makay, she's a Madmad priest. He's ritual prayer from Benguet. And then, of course, Manang Jo. She's a filmmaker, mentored by Kidlat Tahimik. And of course, Willie. may manong. Siya yung nag-introduce sa akin ng pen and ink. Sabi ni Isa na mag-2-man show kami. Parang nag-meeting kaming dalawa. Anong title natin? Two-man show. It's a play in words of a two-man show. Two-man show. So gumawa ako ng studies. Sabi ko kaya ito pwede na ba ito? Sige, basta gawin natin. Start lang. So una ginawa ko yung bulol na may two-man show siya. Tapos may crocodile na pinupugutan ng parang it's tamang-tama yung corruption sa Pilipinas, malala. So, naglagay ako ng flag. So yun, ito lang ang ginawa ko muna. Tapos pinasa ko kay Leonard itong red part.
Ito naman yung dinagdag ko. Parang prayer. So, parang sinasabi na prayer to stop corruption. So, ito actually mga words to prayers to lahat. And then when I carve it, nabura.
Tapos binalik sa akin yung finishing touch, yung
Siya na yung, siya na yung nagtapos.
yung frame niya, yung border.
Great, thank you.
Thank you.